Hello and welcome to I for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Graph Neural Networks. GNNs. Working with interconnected data. Social networks. Imagine a social network like Facebook. GNNs are like super smart algorithms that understand the connections between people. Instead of just looking at individual profiles, they look at the asterisk relationships, who's friends with who follows who. This allows them to learn things you can't see just by looking at individual data points. Think of each person in your social network as a node. The friendships or connections between people are the edges. GNNs work by representing this network as a graph, a collection of nodes and edges. As developers, we represent this using data structures like adjacency matrices or adjacency lists. GNNs walk through the graph, learning from each node and its connections. If someone has lots of friends who are into gaming, the GNN might infer that this person is also likely into gaming. It's like detective work, but using math and algorithms. Imagine each node whispering information to its neighbors. This is called message passing. The algorithm spreads information throughout the network, allowing nodes to learn from their neighbors' characteristics. This is implemented using iterative algorithms that update node features based on neighboring node features. GNNs can help with recommendation systems, suggesting friends or content, fraud detection, identifying suspicious accounts, and community detection, finding groups of people with shared interests. These are all important problems solved efficiently using graph data structures and GNNs. We'll explore a basic GNN implementation using Python libraries like PyTorch Geometric. This will involve representing the social network as a graph data structure, defining the message passing mechanism, and training the model to perform a specific task, e.g., friend recommendation. GNNs are powerful but can face challenges with scalability, handling very large networks, and explainability. Understanding why the GNN makes a particular prediction. We'll discuss some advanced topics like graph embeddings and attention mechanisms. Let's build a basic recommendation system for a simplified social network. This will give you practical experience using GNNs and visualizing their capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.